Hi guys, today I've got two awesome sensory boards for you to keep your toddler entertained. So the first one is a zipper board. For this you'll need cardboard from an old cardboard box, a glue gun, and zippers of different colours and different lengths. So these I picked up from the thrift shop for 5 cents each. So first, lay out the zippers on the cardboard how you want them to go, going in all different directions. And then I hot glued in a zigzag pattern to press down the zipper. I use my fingers or a pen depending on how hot it was. To make it even more secure, I hot glued each end. This activity is awesome for building their fine motor skills as well as colour recognition. I knew this was going to be an awesome activity because Sophie loves unzipping our jackets as well as her own. The second board is a Peekaboo board, once again using cardboard, hot glue gun, and this time using those lids from your baby wipes packets. This is an awesome way to recycle them. Most of the baby wipe stickers came off really easily, but this one was difficult. So what I did is I put it in some warm soapy water, rubbed it off with my fingers, and then it still had that sticky residue. So I used eucalyptus oil to get that off. Then I hot glued them down onto the cardboard before adding different sensory items in. So I used straws, pom-poms, duct tape, as well as this plaited cord. And then I used the hot glue to hot glue them down, the pom-poms, the straws, leaving gaps in between for her to feel. And I even hot glued the duct tape because it wasn't very strong. But as you can see here, Soph was still able to pull it off. Soph loves opening and shutting them and feeling the different textures. This board really does keep her busy, and it's quite an easy homemade activity. So guys, you might also like my pom-pom activities that I've done with Sophie as well. I'll leave a link for the video here. Until next time, take care. Bye.